Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Fabfitfun spring unboxing for you. It's definitely starting to feel like spring today. I actually went down to the beach with my mom and stepdad, and we went out to breakfast. We walked on the boardwalk, we walked on the beach, and we even went to a couple open houses. If you saw me on Instagram, then you know that I did that. But yeah, it was really fun. I'm hoping that we get a beach house because that would be like a dream come true. I like this necklace. This is a gold layered necklace. It's really cool, and it has like little different crosses and different kind of saints on it. So I will link this in the description box. I do have a discount code for the website. If you are interested, they sell necklaces, jewelry, like all sorts of jewelry. So I will put more information in the description box if you like this necklace and you want to check it out or check out any of their other products. Definitely check my description box. Let's get into this unboxing. As usual, they have their little magazine in the beginning of when you first open the box that has all of the descriptions of literally every single thing in the box, and even what you could have gotten in a different box or what you could have like swapped out if you don't stick with like what's in the box. So there's all different prices about the founder, all that kind of good stuff, and then everything with the products, prices, where you can find them, backstories behind them, because a lot of the Fabfitfun products are products that like go towards something else, like it'll support another company or it'll support women or anything on those lines, which is so cool. So I usually refer back to that when I like to look at prices. This box is $50 and it's seasonal, so you don't have to pay for it monthly. It's just a season, which is really cool because I know that a lot of these boxes, like every month, can kind of add up and it can be a lot. So yes, it's $50, but totally worth it, and you always get like hundreds of stuff inside. So that's always really cool. There's always discount codes. Like I don't have a discount code or promo code, but everybody always has something for at least the first month. You get like at least $10 off, I think it is. So that is really cool. Fabfitfun. This is like my 10th video unboxing, so if you could give me a code for my subscribers, that'd be great. Thank you. We have a little bite. I don't know what this is. BYTE, an exclusive offer, and it looks like it's an aligner. So you have like an at-home impression kit and then a liner, and you get some money off for that. I will not use that just because I had braces growing up, and I actually still wear my retainer to bed every night, so I definitely don't need any kind of alignment or anything like that, but I know most people do. Always get a HelloFresh discount in here all the time. It's like 10 free meals. Literally, that's like always one of their go-tos that they have in their box, which is pretty cool. Oh my god, this is so funny. Wait, okay, so the first thing that's catching my eyes, literally it looks like my necklace. It is not the same brand. It's called Amber Seats. And it is a necklace that looks very, very similar to the one that I have, but I like that there's only 2 here. So if you don't like, you know, mine has 4. And it looks like it can go pretty long. Actually, I'm gonna take this out and see. I'm actually glancing at everything in this box, and to be honest, there's only one brand that I recognize, which is kind of cool though, because then you get to try something new when you get these boxes. Not super long, but I like that. Super cute, and I like that it's simple. I love this double chain look. I have a couple necklaces in the summer that I like to layer together, but I feel like they always get tangled together. So I like the ones that are already together because they don't really get tangled. So love that. Let's see how much that is. This necklace is $50. Holy crap. Amber Seats double coin necklace, $50. Next thing here is a Wander Beauty, and this is Mile High Club. Ooh, volume and length mascara. Nice. I'm not going to open that up because I don't want to dry it out, but I have been needing a mascara. I feel like something's been going on with my eyes where different mascaras are irritating them, so I'm actually going through them a lot quicker than I normally do. Usually one mascara lasts me a really long time, and I feel like recently my eyes have been getting sensitive or something, so I'm excited to try a new one. This is the most bougie packaging for a mascara. I've never seen mascara in a tube like this. This is very intriguing. This mascara runs for $26, which I guess is about normal. I think mascaras are normally like, if you get a high-end brand, it's like $25. So it seems pretty normal, but I'm excited to try that because like I said, I needed a new one. Deep Sleep Bodycon by This Works. This is a lotion, a multitasking beauty sleep saver for better nights and brighter mornings. Use nightly before bathing, or after bathing, I was going to say that's weird, and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. Okay, can't go wrong with the lotion. I actually just put some on. so I'm not going to try it, but I'll smell it and see if there's any type of scent. But I've never heard of this brand before. I feel like I'm always in the need of a new lotion. Oh, it looks really thick, actually. All right, let's just try it a little bit. Oh, it smells like lavender. Definitely has a scent, for sure, so if you are sensitive to fragrance, I would not recommend, but it just smells like lavender, so it's not super heavy, and it doesn't feel greasy or anything. I think this will be a really good lotion. Holy, this retails for $40, and this is only 3.3 fluid ounces. $40, that is insane. See, that's why I love this box. This lotion is almost the entire cost of the box, and I would never purchase a $40 lotion in this size. But like I said, it does smell good and it doesn't feel greasy, so I feel like this is gonna be really good. It is a shirt, I think. This is by the brand Donni, D-O-N-N-I. Looks very beachy. It's got some stripes on it. Oh my god, cute! It's like a cardigan. Love this. I always love a good cardigan. I am so excited about this. It has pockets. It's a very good neutral color. It's like a gray, kind of like an olivey green, slightly like an olivey green. One size fits all. It has pockets. I'm so excited for this. This will definitely be a good used product. I can wear this to the beach, out, teaching, literally anywhere. This is a great cardigan. This retails for $100. Do I need to say anything else? That's amazing. I see Murad. This was the only brand that I said earlier that I recognized, and this is a Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. This is step number 2. So if you see on the top of Murad's products, they always have like a 1, 2, 3. I think it only goes to 3, and it's usually like the steps of when you would take it, so, or when you would use it. I don't really have a serum at the moment that I use, so this will be really nice to try, and I'm definitely going to be using this, so make sure you follow me on Instagram, and I will give you a little update on it. Ooh, I see a makeup finishing spray. So this is by the brand Indonesia, and makeup finishing spray, fine mist, oil-free, paraben-free. So that's pretty good. I think you guys all know what a makeup finishing spray is, so I will put that in along with my Urban Decay. I usually use the Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray, but I definitely use the setting spray every single time I do my makeup. Ooh, a hairbrush. Cute. Okay, so this is by the brand Area Beauty. And Luxe Chrome Detailing Brush. Look at how fancy. It comes in a little baggie. This retails for $35. I could not tell you the last time I purchased a hairbrush, but I don't remember spending that much on a hairbrush. Look at this beauty. Super fancy. Honestly, it just feels like a typical normal brush, but I love a paddle brush. It's actually what I use, and mine is kind of going down the drain, so probably should swap this out. The last product that we have here, Thermal Spring Water. Soothing for sensitive skin, hypoallergenic. Okay, it looks like it's like all in French. It's literally all in another language, so we're gonna refer to our little magazine here. Thermal Spring Water. Spritz your face with hydrating spring water to calm, smooth, and soften the skin. And it retails for $14. Okay, can't go wrong with something like that. I'm actually really dry right now, so we're gonna test this out. Okay, this feels so weird because it doesn't feel like a normal makeup spray type of can. It feels like I'm spraying like a Pam on my face or something. Oh, wow, that's nice. I definitely feel like I just soaked my face. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm waiting for it to dry because I really feel like there's so much water all in my face right now. It does feel really nice though. And now I wonder if this is something that you can spray any time of day with or without makeup, even though I just sprayed it on my makeup or whatever. It doesn't say, it just says smooth, calm, and soften the skin. So I'm assuming that you can use it any time of the day with or without makeup. I'll definitely be using this like before bed. I love spraying something like this on my face before bed after I moisturize, put a serum on, eye cream, all that good stuff, because I feel like it just kind of like locks everything in and it feels so nice. That is everything that I got in my FabFit spring box this season. I hope that you enjoyed this video and hopefully you'll try some of this. Let me know if you have ever tried any of these products before, because like I said, most of the products in this box I've actually never heard of. So that's kind of cool that I can try something new. Let me know down below if you guys like this video by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future uploads. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.